How to find friends on Facebook by phone number or contacts. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find friends on Facebook by their phone number or their contact number. Now it's quite simple. Simply open a Facebook app, you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen there, and then what you want to do is tap on the settings icon. Once on settings, what you want to do is scroll down, and here all the way down below under permissions you can see the option upload contacts. If you don't find it here, you can search in from the search bar at the top. Simply head into upload contacts option, and then you want to enable this option there, continuously contacts upload. Simply tap on it and you can see Facebook is better with friends. And once you do this, if you tap on get started here, your contacts will be synced, and then Facebook will suggest you friends that you have on your contact list. Now here, once you do this, you can see it's enabling, and any contacts that you have on your device, if they have Facebook, they'll show up here. Now you can see all my contacts Facebook accounts showing up here, and you can add friend from here, and even on suggestions you'll be shown their accounts as well. So this way you can find friends on Facebook by phone number or contacts. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.